Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use file transfer in Mobile Legends. Bang bang. This process is crucial for safeguarding your game progress and settings. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your valuable data is secure, whether you are backing it up or moving it to a new device. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few minutes to complete, giving you peace of mind. First, let's find where your game data lives. On most Android devices, you'll open your file manager and navigate to the internal storage. Look for the Android folder, then dive into the data folder. Inside, you'll find a folder named something like COM, Mobile, Legends. This folder contains all your essential game files, often totaling several gigabytes of data. Once you've located the game data folder, backing it up is simple. Just copy the entire COM, Mobile, Legends folder. Then, paste it to a safe place, like another folder on your device, an external drive, or even cloud storage. This creates a complete snapshot of your game progress, usually around 3 to 5 gigabytes, ready for restoration whenever needed. To restore your game data or transfer it to a new device, first ensure Mobile Legends. Bang Bang is installed. Then, navigate to the Android/data folder on the target device and delete any existing COM, Mobile, Legends folder. Now, simply paste your backed up folder into this exact location. Launch the game, and your progress, settings, and resources, often hundreds of items, should all be there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.